Time check! Sawadee ka, Tukon. Hello everyone, this is Teacher Adet. A day in my life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Get ready with me, let's go! Good morning everyone! Sawadee ka! Sawadee ka! Sawadee ka, teacher!
Thank you.
Good morning, Teacher Manal!
Thank you.
Bon appetit! Make up time! Morning po. Good morning, Teacher Namtan. Good morning, Teacher Ming. And I'm done with my makeup. And let's go to Assembly Hall. Bon appetit! Cheers! Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Listen, everyone. Today, I am going to discuss about abbreviations, acronyms, and initialisms. Altogether, read abbreviations. Acronyms. And initialisms. So first, what is acronym? Altogether, read. Abbreviating. Acronym is words formed from the initial letters of phrases, pronounceable as words, and it is readable as words, often replacing original phrases. What is abbreviation? Altogether, read. Abbreviation is used to save space and time to avoid repetition of long words and phrases. What is initials? Initials are the first letters of a person's name, especially when used to represent the whole name. Letters representing names, titles, or organizations. Like for example, what is that? Very good. I don't know. IDK. I don't know. What is that? Very good. Do it yourself. DIY. This one. Very good. End of day. Very good. As soon as possible. Awesome. That's it for today. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Bye. Pit air, Noy. Please turn off the aircon. Ngawiting ito'y para lang sa'yo at kung maumos ng tinig di magsisisi. Bon appetit! Cheers! Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Listen, everyone. Today, I am going to discuss about abbreviations, acronyms, and initialisms. That's it for today. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Today, I am going to discuss about abbreviations, acronyms, and initialisms. So first, what is acronym? All together read. Abbreviating. Combining. Acronym, words formed from initial letters of phrases, pronounceable as words and readable as words, often replacing original phrases. Example of acronym, IDK. What is IDK? Okay, I don't know. Abbreviation and acronym are both shortened versions of something else. Both can often be represented as a series of letters. Initialism and acronyms are two types of abbreviations that are used to shorten phrases. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. And I'm home. I'm sick home.